Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is on a lace frontal unit from IShow hair. This is their bone straight wig in 24 inches. Is a lace frontal unit, 13 by 6. You get a lot of good parting space. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps. Also in the package you get lashes, you get a wig cap, and you get a ponytail holder. So I am going to show you guys what I did with the wig. I went ahead and bleached the knots. I laid the I laid the wig down while it dried, and I added a little bit of mousse to it so that the part was nice and crisp. Then I went ahead and added my Ebin lace tint spray. That is from Amazon. So I'll go ahead and leave a link if you want to grab some of that Ebin lace tint spray. I absolutely love it. I use my Got to Be Glued gel, and I also use my IShow holding hairspray. All of that you can also find on Amazon, and I'll leave links down below. The blow dryer I always use is the Yellowbird. It's my favorite blow dryer. It's amazing. I use it on the cool setting when I am laying my frontals down. So as you can see, that lace tint spray is amazing. It literally blends right into my skin tone. I'm not wearing any makeup right now, and I definitely suggest, if you can lay your lace down before you do your makeup, I would definitely suggest that. It makes it a lot easier to blend. Sometimes it's not always an option, but if it is an option, definitely go for that. This wig was pre-plucked to perfection. I didn't have to do any extra plucking. All I did was bleach the knots and mold the wig down, and this is pretty much what you get.
That's good.
So as much as possible when I'm laying down my lace, I try not to use my fingers. I try to use the end of the rat tail comb. I just find that it's better to use the rat tail comb because your fingers do have oils on them and different things on your fingers. So it's just better to use a tool instead of your fingers. I went ahead and added a little bit of powder. Before I did this step, I should have went along with a little bit of alcohol and just cleared away any of the excess Got to Be gel. It gets really glossy when it dries, and it just becomes super obvious. So you want to make sure not to skip that step. I skipped that step by accident. But yeah, if I had anything to do over again, I would definitely do the rubbing alcohol step, but I totally forgot, you guys. I'm human. It's just an oversight. But yeah, I went ahead and used a little bit of powder and just went around the hairline a little bit. I think this hairline looks amazing. It blends so nicely. This wig is beautiful. This is their 13 by 6 lace frontal in bone straight. And yeah, I love this straight unit. I'm partial to either bone straight hair or super curly hair. Those are like my 2 favorite human hair types. So yeah, bone straight is always going to do me justice, and literally a middle part is one of my favorite hairstyles, especially when the hair is extremely long. So yeah, I just went ahead and took those clips out, molded the hair down once more. Like I said, I had already molded it down. I think it's important to mold your hair down when it's still wet and let it set and air dry in the part and style that you want, because it's just going to be that much easier to style later. So yeah, I just added a little bit of my IShow mousse. I use a bristle brush to just mold the hair down some more. Grabbed my comb, cleaned up my parting area, and just started to move the hair to where I wanted to go. The hairline is looking so good. All I need to do now is do my makeup and yeah, just touch up where that little piece of lace is lifting up. I just grabbed some more Got To Be gel and my blow dryer and just tacked that down. And yeah, the next clip you'll see I have my makeup on and I'm pretty much good to go. So this is pretty much the end result, guys, and I know you can see a little bit of the glossiness of the Got To Be that dried, and I forgot to wipe it away, but I think that this wig laid down really nicely. It looks really beautiful, really natural. It's just a simple, beautiful slay. If you guys are interested in grabbing this wig from IShow Hair, I will definitely leave a link down in the info box down below so you can go ahead and check it out. I love the way this wig is looking. The density is super natural looking, not too thick, not too thin. I just really like the quality of the hair and the density, and I just like how easy it is to work with this wig. It's pretty beginner friendly. The only thing I had to do was bleach the knots. I didn't do any plucking or anything else like that. So I think this wig is dope, and yeah, if I didn't answer any of your questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Also, check the description box if you want to grab this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every last one of you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.